Hello, this is Ezra with Hot Water Productions, and today we're going to be talking about mineral sanitizers and what that can do for you to help keep your hot tub cleaner. We're going to jump right in. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, like and comment any questions you have about it down below. The function of the mineral sanitizer is to simply allow you to use less sanitizer in your spa, whether you're using a salt system, an ozonator with chlorine or bromine, whatever you're using, just going to help you cut down on the amount of sanitizer you have to use. And it's overall just going to help you keep your spa cleaner, smelling better, looking better. Here's what it looks like, just a little tube. It's different across all brands. This one is specifically for hot spring spas, although you can use it with really anything. What it's gonna do is it's just little ceramic beads coated in a dissolvable silver. And what that does is it helps break down the outer layer of bacteria so that they're more easily killed by chlorine, bromine, whatever you're using as your sanitizer. On hot spring spas, and honestly most spas on the market, it's going to be located in this filter compartment. So wherever your filter is at, that's typically where this is going to go. Reason being, that's where the water is drawn through. So it's going to be pulling the water over these little grates in the cartridge to make sure that you get all the water you can through this little tube here. For hot spring spas, it's going to be down under the filter with the gray cap. So this little guy. This one on hot spring spas is for your circulation pump, and so that's going to allow it to get the maximum amount of water flow around this little guy, and it just plops right down in that tube. So there's a little cavity inside, and you just drop it in there, screw the cap over it. Super easy. Same thing when you go to replace it, just unscrew that cap, pull the old one out, throw the new one in, ready to go. Our video on mineral sanitizers for your spa. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you've ever used one of these.